Hi friends, welcome to Next Talks. Kindly subscribe to the channel for the latest market updates and also the Multibagger tips. Please don't forget to press the bell icon while you subscribe to the channel, because usually the small updates I will give in my community tab and you will receive the immediate notification when I am updating the new video. So today we are going to discuss about Future Group. Every month I am updating a caution video about Future Group. If you watch my previous videos, since long time I am giving caution video on Future Group. Since it was trading around 56 to 58 rupees, I started giving caution videos since last December. You can watch all my previous videos. Since that day onwards, I am telling each and every subscribers to take exit from all the Future Group stocks, and exactly there was a rally when CCI suspend Amazon and Reliance deal, and almost the stock was hit 3 to 4 upper circuits. Even on that day also I was given a caution video and I was very clearly I told that the deal will not be happen and Future Group will move to NCLT. Exactly the same thing is happening right now, and there was enough opportunity to take the exit with minimal profit or at least with the cost without any major loss. You can watch all those videos about Future Group. Everything is available here. You can see here since past 6 months I am giving the caution video about Future Group, and also in most of my Future Group video I told that avoid following money control forum. There you may find many positive and negative messages. Those who follow those kind of messages currently suffering. Even if you watch my last video, exactly I was updated last month. In that video very clearly I told when the stock was trading around 27 rupees per share, I told that the stock will hit somewhere below 10 rupees and you will get a exit opportunity. Exactly you can see here the stock hit around 6.70 rupees per share and there was almost 38% gain was happened, and it was traded almost 9.25 rupees per share on Wednesday. So after that again the stock started falling. Currently it is trading on lower circuit, and always we have to understand, avoid being greedy, because I know that those who are holding Future Retail or any Future Group stocks are on heavy loss, but at least you have to think that whatever left is more than enough to cover your losses. At least you have something left with you. So the further scenario in Future Retail will be almost similar to DHFL, and always the trend will go on that direction, because the last lower was 6.70 and the current fall will take below this and the next peak will be below 6.70. That is an exit strategy of operator. Those who are holding very high volume, what they will do is they will pump money and they will make a short time trend, and at the peak they will take the exit. So we may find further similar trend on coming months or coming weeks before the stock is getting delisted, and try to utilize that opportunity. So it's your hard-earned money. Avoid losing whatever left in that. It was happen only because of your greediness, because as I told you, I am giving caution videos since almost 6 months time now, and at that time when I made the caution video, almost all my subscribers and almost everyone was on profit, because at that time the CCI was suspended, the Amazon and Future Group deal, and there was a short time rally was happened even on both days, and I was given caution video with a span of 1 week time, and after that also almost 4 months the stock traded within 45 to 55 range. So try to utilize that opportunity and take the exit from any Future Group stock. Either it may be Future Lifestyle Fashion, Future Enterprises Limited, Future Supply Chains Limited, Future Market Network Limited, or Future Retail Limited. Any of the Future Group stocks. Maybe you may think that Future Lifestyle Fashion or Future Market Networks or Future Enterprises Limited may sustain. That will never happen, because the net worth of the company is negative, and all these companies are the subsidiaries of Future Retail Limited. When Future Retail Limited moving to NCLT, automatically the subsidiaries as well will move to NCLT, and there will not be any difference between the subsidiary when it comes for a consideration. So all the companies will be get affected and nothing will left, and all the stocks will be get delisted. So utilize the current opportunity whatever left with you. And when we are coming to the Sensex, currently you can see that almost since the Ukraine invasion was happened, since that day onwards the Sensex was started started falling, and on 20th of February I was mentioned that the Ukraine and Russian war will continue for long time and it's a trap for Russia. Currently you can see that the geopolitical situation again getting worsening, and the Ukraine and Russian war is entering to its 4th month, and the European Union's main aim is to neutralize Russia and to save NATO's defense spending. I was mentioned in the very beginning of the war, and I told very clearly that the current battle will continue for long time until the Russia is getting neutralized. Today if you see, there is an important news was came. Lithuania enforces EU sanctions on goods to Russians Kaliningrad. So actually the Kaliningrad is a Russian territory within Europe, and Russia doesn't have a proper land corridor. If you see the map, you can see here Kaliningrad is located between Lithuania and Poland, and currently there is a rail route from Russia to Kaliningrad. It's a Russian territory, and the rail route is passing through Lithuania. Lithuania, Latvia and Estonia are NATO countries. According to the NATO rules, any of the NATO country is attacked, the NATO will directly enter, because NATO want that, because NATO's aim was to neutralize Russia before entering to a full-fledged war, because Kaliningrad is a strategic location for Russia, and currently all the supplies to Kaliningrad is cut off by Lithuania, and they impose sanction, and the transit between Kaliningrad and Russia is stopped. It means Russia cannot supply to Kaliningrad, and Russia want to divert its force from Ukraine to Kaliningrad through NATO's territory. Russia want to forcefully enter to Latvia and Lithuania, or at least Lithuania through Belarus, to protect Kaliningrad. If such move is happened, NATO will enter, and already the Russian force is engaged in Ukraine and their ammunition is almost getting finished, because you may heard a news few months back that Russia requested missiles from China, because Russia doesn't have the short range missiles, because Russia was not expecting such a lengthy war of 3 to 4 months, and still the battle is ongoing and the entire Russian force is engaged in Ukraine. At that time, Lithuania enforced ban to enter Russia through its territory, and Lithuania is a NATO country. So this will change the geopolitical situation. We may expect the battle will continue for quite long time until Russia is getting neutralized. It can happen in either way. Either NATO can attack Russia, or Russia can start attacking NATO country. So it can happen in either way. Either Russia can start attacking any of the NATO country, and NATO can take that as an advantage and enter to the Russian territory. So we may expect these things in coming months, and the reflection of that will be observed in Indian stock market as well. As I was mentioned in my previous videos, Indian stock market is stable. Even the global economies are at the recession, and still the Indian stock market and the Indian economy is stable. Whatever we are seeing here in the index is just, we have to take it as a reflection on short-term basis, because when the international economies are getting unstable and inflation rates are getting increased day by day, there will be outflow of foreign institutional investors' investment from Indian stock market as well. That we have to take it as an indirect impact. After some time, the stock market will get stable. So we have to be very selective while we are trading in Indian stock market, and the current trend and current instability in stock market will continue for another 6 to 7 months throughout the year. Avoid holding any stock with a multi-bagger expectation. Whenever you are at a reasonable profit, try to take either exit or book the profit and move to the another stock. As I have mentioned, the current battle between the Europe and Russia will continue for quite some time, and we have to be very prepared during this time, and we should select the stock with more caution and avoid doing mistake like future retail. Avoid being greedy during this time, because whatever the losses you have made in future retail is only because of your greediness, and take it as a lesson. Whenever you get an opportunity, if you still hold, don't think that already I have lost almost 90% and let the remaining 10% also go. Don't think on that way. Even that 10% what is left in future retail limited also can cover your losses if you invest in proper way. So once again, thank you very much much for watching. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and kindly refer to the membership options. There are 3 membership types are available: Elite, Emerald and Ruby. And please don't forget to press the bell icon while you subscribe to my channel, so you'll receive all the notification when I am posting new videos or posting any information in the community post. Once again, thank you very much and kindly stay tuned.